Your insurance company now is saying, not today, no, no, no. We are not extending your builder's risk insurance, right? And this is going to be a major problem for you and your project. Do you need to extend your builder's risk insurance for your construction project? Do you need to ask for renewal for your builder's risk insurance for your construction project? Hi, I'm Matt Rogers with Contractors Risk Solutions, and I'm based out of Los Angeles, California. So you're in a situation right now where your policy, you might have extended it 1 year. The builder's risk policy that you have is, we were planning it was going to be 1 year and then the job would be completed and everything was going to be smooth. Then your renewal came up and you could do 1 more year. And what happened was after that, you still need more time. The job got slowed down for all kinds of reasons. We could go through a million different reasons what slows down a construction project, right? So your insurance company now is saying, not today, no, no, no. We are not extending your builder's risk insurance, right? And this is going to be a major problem for you and your project. You may not even be sleeping at night because of it. That's how big of a deal this can be. So what I want to tell you today is that it is possible to extend it and to find a new insurance company to help you. Possible. So with that being understood, I'm going to give you a couple of rules to think about and see if this fits your scenario. One is, how far along in the construction project are you right now? If you are more than 75% completed, it is going to be very difficult to find a new insurance company to step in and take on the risk. Okay, that's step one. Okay, two, I am in Southern California, and in Southern California, we're having a lot of problems with brush area. If your construction project, which I'm seeing many, many times, is in a brush area, the chances of you getting a new policy in place is probably not going to happen. The only way it's going to happen is if you pay a ton of money in premium, and many times financially it makes no sense to do that. And then the other thing I want you to think about is if you're at 50% completion, if you are at 30% completion or however it got stalled out, your project, you are now going to have to pay a much higher premium. So I want you to get ready for that. Now, I can give you how they come up with the formula, and I've told many clients what the formula is, and they still scratch their head and go, but that's just not fair. I don't know why they're doing that. And I'm going to explain it to you, and I'm going to give you the formula right now and how it works before I bore you, and you're going to get mad because it's going to cost a ton of money to get your insurance straightened out. So what you want to do is, when a new insurance company comes in and you are 50% completed, so if it's a $1 million house, right, or a $1 million project, and you're at $500,000 in, they are going to want to charge you for the first 2 years that you've already paid for before they even consider it. So they have to start the day one with you taking over that risk with $500,000 being built on the ground. So from the day they start working, they take on your insurance. If a fire was to happen, if a major thing happened, they are already upside down $500,000 with you. Do you understand? So if it was the beginning, it kind of ramps up slowly, right? So the first year premium is what it is, and the second year premium is what is there. But for them to come in halfway through a build and to be able to justify the risk and be able to figure out whether the numbers are in case a claim comes, they're going to have to charge you for those first 2 years up front, because that's where the project is right now at this moment. Okay, and this is something that confuses people, and they go, that's not fair, I don't get it, why is that? Now, these other policies that you can find, one in particular that's very famous, they are charging about a 25% rate, and they will not extend it to more than 2 years. So what happens is you're gonna have to pay that 40 to 50% rate for the first 2 years, and then on that third year that you need coverage for, you're gonna have to pay that same rate. So you're going to be spending basically 3 years of premium to get somebody to jump into your project and to start insuring it again. And it's going to be costly. There's just no way getting around it. So I thought I could make this video for you because I'm seeing this happen an awful lot. Construction is famous for not completing when they planned and for things being slowed down, and it always has been that way. And so I'm seeing a lot of these questions and a lot of these quotes coming into our office and people asking, how do I get insurance? And there's a lot of stress around it. So I hope this helps you. If you're in that spot right now, this video should get you ramped up pretty fast of where you are, what your options are, and where to move next. Thank Thank you so much. If you have any questions, call me and I can help answer any more questions you may have in particular for this subject matter. Thanks for watching, and please feel free to check out any of my other videos. If you have any questions regarding this subject matter, please contact me or email me. Thanks.